Today we are on a very beautiful mission, and it's early in the morning, 5:57 a.m. around, and my phone is upside down. उसको छोड़ के today's mission is all about uh, we have to be. What is this? What is this? Okay, never mind. Today's mission is that we have to, no matter what, we have to see the winter line early in the morning, and that's a very hard task because it's so early in the morning that it's very much cold. And my partner, like, he called me yesterday. It's my senior. He called me yesterday. He's like, "Dude, are you up for a winter line sighting?" I was like, "Hell yeah!" But I was not expecting that it is going to be this much cold. It's not really that cold, but my hands are freezing. And we have to meet at the meter point is at Survey Chalk. And the thing is, the partner who called me yesterday, I have to call him early in the morning just to wake him up. I called him early in the morning to, bro, खड़े हो जाओ, सुबह हो गई, जागो जागो जागो, सुबह हो गई, जल्दी से पी लो, चाय ठंडी हो गई. इतनी सुबह अगर, I'll be very honest, इतनी सुबह अगर चाय मिल जाएगी ना, nothing can be beneficial for me, सच में. And the only thing is, I'm just waiting for my partner at this point, because अगर उनका कॉल नहीं आता है तो मतलब वो पहुँचे हुए नहीं है, लेकिन मैं तो पहुँच जाऊँगा. But some people do a lot of delays, and भैया जी उसमें से है. लास्ट टाइम जब गए थे तो भैया इतना लेट आए, मतलब आई कॉल्ड हिम, ही वोक अप और फिर सो गए, और हम सब पहुँचे हुए हैं, वो आए ही नहीं है. So you can imagine we were like half an hour late, or an hour late, I would say. We are almost at the waiting point, I mean meeting point. अब वेटिंग पॉइंट बोलना पड़ता है क्योंकि आते नहीं है ना जल्दी, इसलिए. चलो कोई नहीं, आई विश आ गई हो, बिकॉज इफ ही इज नॉट हियर देन देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग देयर टू सी द विंटर लाइन. वो हम यहीं से देख लेंगे. The thing is, the place we are going is called Landor, and the place is very much known for beautiful views, and I also made a vlog on that particular place. I guess he is here. Let me open my visor. Hey, he is right over here. आप पहुंच गए? कैसे पहुंच गए? मुझे लगा आप अभी सो रहे होगे. होए होए. Also, this bike is also very loud with the Red Roosters RRP. Never mind, guys. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Also, if we ever speed in this video, guys, please don't if चल चल चल, नहीं चलते सर, नहीं चलते ऐसे. अभी आपकी गाड़ी लगी थी, फिर लगने के चांस होते हैं. I mean, yeah, I get the point. He's very much excited to see the winter line because we are a bit late. Guys, if we ever speed in this video, I want you guys to be very much sure that we are having experience in riding. Alright, we have certain experience and we do ride like this sometimes. So if we ever ride a bit fast in this video, don't try to copy us, please. we are at a very decent pace right now, and I'm very much hopeful that we might reach on time. ये कहाँ रह गए? I cannot see him. आ गए. Okay, so it is about to be sunrise, and I'm very much unsure if we can make it or not, because I don't really think so. Also, my tires are very cold, so I'm not trying to do a very crazy type of a lean angle or whatever. But yeah, my tires are cold, I am cold, my arms are cold, and it's very much needed to drive carefully in the mountains. ठंडा ठंडा कूल कूल, ठंडा ठंडा कूल कूल, ठंडा ठंडा कूल कूल. If you guys ever have a plan to come to Dehradun, Uttarakhand, I don't know where you guys are watching from, but अगर आपका plan है, please आइए. We would love to welcome you all, and make sure you visit Landor. इतना कुछ है नहीं करने का वहाँ पर जो ये ठंड है ना, आपको इससे प्यार हो जाएगा. जो वहाँ पर views आएंगे ना, you would you would actually fall in love with those views. In order to in order so that he can look where I am going, because it is still a bit dark early in the morning. Also, we are driving very normally, no speeding, nothing like that. Also, and अगर आप लोगों में बाइक है, if you guys own a bike and you really want to come to a place that's very peaceful, very calm, come to Mussoorie and Landor. And especially if you guys are an enthusiast of mountains and all, I would really love to welcome you all, guys. Please आना, please please. बहुत लोगों ने Landor देखा है already, and a lot of people has not really seen Landor. आओ देखो क्या है यहाँ पर, आपको अपने आप चल जाएगा पता. Oh my god, my hands are freezing cold अभी. Okay, that's the winter line for you guys. I am going to buy a pair of good winter gloves. Dude, I have to. I can't ride with these on. I'll try to take some cinematic shots early in the morning up there when we'll reach. But तब तक के लिए guys, some advice for you. अगर आप माउंटेन्स पे आ रहे हो, अगर सोच रहे हो, तो पहली बात, अगर आप सुबह सुबह आ रहे हो तो आई वुड रिकमेंड कभी रश मत करना. एज आई टोल्ड यू गाइस, किस्मत में होगा तो मिल जाएगा, नहीं होगा नहीं मिलेगा, सिंपल सी बात होती है. दिस नथिंग टू मच अबाउट दैट. ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक मत करना कि नहीं पहुंच पाए या कुछ भी. आराम से जाओ, enjoy your journey, and that's the best thing you can ever do in order to be a person who just wants to explore the world. अरे यही है, अरे यही है, अरे यही है. Look at these beautiful views for which we came early in the morning. Oh my god. Absolutely in love with these views, guys. I'll take some beautiful cinematic shots and I'll show you guys those in a bit. सॉकर खेल रहे हैं बच्चे, सॉकर क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं बच्चे। Checking the temperature right now. 8 degrees Celsius. Okay. Yeah, we are parking right over here. And yeah, let's sit at a place and enjoy some beautiful food. Because, yeah, why not? This is Char Dukan. The right one though, not this one. I'm cold, way. I'm cold. अभी तो वो खुल रहा है, ये बंद है, बंद है भाई वो, अभी खुल रहा है वो, अभी वो खुल रहा है। चार दुकान ही बंद है अभी तो ये तो चलो जो भी है। अरे लुक एट दिस पर्सन राइट ओवर है, तो प्यार लग रहा है। पहाड़ी
2000 years later.
Okay, so we are leaving Landor. One more tip for you guys: if you're coming to Landor, you want to eat something, don't rely on UPI because they take cash. There's also an ATM, but the ATM is closed. Abhi. It opens around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. So that's mostly very much unbeneficial for people. अगे तो UPI लेके ही घूमते हैं। And look at this guy. Look at this guy.
मेरा फ़ोन उठा के पॉकेट इसमें डालना पड़ेगा अंदर। अब मैंने ग्लव्स पहन लिया।
अपने आप करो।